Hi, class. Thank you for being here today. How are you all doing today? Good. Thank you for being in your assigned seats. I'm Ms. Brown. This is your high school health science class. Let's go. So, as always, I want to begin by reading our SWABAT. I will read, and I want you to repeat. Ready? Students will be able to explain how food deserts affect community health outcomes. Awesome. I wonder what food desert means. We'll find out during our reading later on. But first, there's a do now on the board. So, do I have a volunteer to read the do now? Kat. Draw a mental food map showing where you and your family get food. Thank you so much for reading, Kat. So a mental food map is a map you have in your head. How do you get food? Where do you get food? You might draw an actual map, but maybe you want to be creative. Draw pictures, use words. It's your choice. But everyone is going to get their own piece of paper, and you are going to have 10 minutes to draw your mental food map. And at the end of 10 minutes, we are going to share our artwork up on the board and do a gallery walk. We've done those before, but this is a way to share your work with your classmates. Do I have any questions before we get going? Awesome. Person B at each table, your materials master, so please grab paper and colored pencils. So, do it now. 10 minutes. Thank you. I like to hear that productive discussion. Thank you all for being on task as I am taking roll. I appreciate it. And that's our 10 minutes. Thank you all so much. So, now that you've made your maps, I'd like person C at each table, please come tape the mental food maps up onto the board. Excellent. Thank you for being so on task. Beautiful. So now everyone, please get up from your chairs. You have 2 minutes. And while you look at your classmates' work, please keep this term in mind, food resources. Food resources. 2 minutes, go ahead. And that was 2 minutes. All right, we're back in our chairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome work. So, awesome. I really appreciate you looking at each other's work. Now, I want us to do a word wheel. This word wheel is going to have our term food resources in the center. And around the outside of the wheel, I will write words that are food resource categories from your mental food maps. Categories. So a category is like an umbrella that has a lot of different things under it. So do I have any volunteers to help me with the first empty space? Tree. Grocery stores is a category. Excellent. This is a food resource like Safeway, Lucky's. Okay, elephant. Family, can you be more specific? Oh, like your uncle giving you lemons from his tree. I will definitely put family as a food resource. Okay, Kat. McDonald's. Now, McDonald's is a specific name. Can you give me the category of food at McDonald's? Fast food, that's right. And one more, Bunny. I haven't heard from you yet. Farmer's farmers markets. I love it. Now, this word wheel helps us to collect our group knowledge about the food resources in San Mateo, California. Now, we're going to read an article about communities that don't have a lot of food resources. These are called food deserts. Thank you, class.